Welcome to the Fordham University Libraries instructional video series. I am Kindra Becker-Redd, a reference librarian at Fordham. This screencast will explain how to access databases at Fordham. For any and all library research, you should always start at Fordham Libraries' website, library.fordham.edu. To access databases from home, you'll be prompted to log in with your MyFordham username and password. On the home page, you can see that the default search bar is something called OneSearch. This is a Google-like product that searches about 85% of our holdings. It is a great place to start if your subject or topic isn't too broad. For narrower topics, or to see all the databases that Fordham Libraries offers, simply hover over the tab Resources in the black bar and click on Databases. This takes you to a page that arranges all of our databases in alphabetical order across the top. This is great if you know exactly which database you would like to search. For example, if your professor wants you to use JSTOR for research, simply click on the letter J and scroll until you see that particular database. Each listed resource features a description of that database and is hyperlinked to open in a new tab. The symbols next to the title of the database refer to whether the resource is open access, limits simultaneous users, or contains multimedia. Also helpful is the tab Databases by Subject. Here you can find suggested databases arranged based on the subject you are researching. This can be trickier if your topic is multidisciplinary, but will at least give you an idea of which databases to start with. As always, search our research guides for more specific information about resources on your topic. In the tab Access Help, you will find information about best practices and common issues, including accessing e-resources, database specifications, troubleshooting tips, and who to contact if you hit a snag. Another useful tab is Passwords List. Once you click on the link Passwords page, you will find passwords for a variety of selected resources. In addition to Fordham-owned resources, here you'll find an academic pass to publications like the New York Times. The next time you max out your free articles, sign up for a free pass to keep reading. Thank you for watching our instructional video on accessing databases. Help is available 24/7. If you need assistance, please contact us via the Ask a Librarian tab on our website.